Okay, it isn't here. Let's see it in this. As you see, if you click on the tiled screen, this is your dashboard. The screen at the top, if you see subscribe, this is what it is. Okay, so you can subscribe it. What do you want to do? Where, how often do you want to do? At what times do you want to schedule? And till what end? So till you can decide the start date of the subscription of this data. How often do you want? And at what times do you want? So it will send you as per the current selection 7:30 every day on this. You can run it anytime. You can dump it as well, and you can decide your subject email and email IDs, and it can select a message, it can the frequency. This is kind of a subscription of and dashboard on a daily basis. This has no relation till now of a data change. A data change probably would be something where you have a KPI tile, or you have a numeric tile, or you have a gauge used in your system. And if that changes, like in our case, if we see if we see the reports, we haven't used a gauge style. If we change the gauge style into this, let's say, let's move into some other zone department, and then if we have an bell icon which will give you an alert option.